Welcome back, my little animals, and if you guys are new to this channel, hi, welcome. My name is AnaItzel Muniz, aka Ani, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I completed this little eye look. And yes, it is more towards like Valentine's Day, so go ahead and keep on watching if you guys want some type of inspiration. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first we're going to be grabbing our Carnival palette. This is by Be Perfect Cosmetics. And since we're doing like a Valentine's Day look, I want to go ahead and grab like a couple different shades here. So I'm just going to be grabbing a nice little fluffy brush by BH Cosmetics. And starting off, we're gonna go ahead and start with Hiiiii. This is like the purple shade right here. And I already did prep and prime my eyes, so I did my brows off camera and then I used P. Louise base all over my eyelids just to really prep the eye. Okay, so using that purple shade, I'm just gonna be going into the crease. So kind of like tilt your head back and start pressing in the color like that. This is such a pretty shade. Okay, we're just going to be doing the same thing on the other side. So tilt your head back and start pressing towards the crease. This is so pretty. Stunning, darling. Stunning. Oh my gosh, this color is beautiful. Okay, so I just cleaned up the same brush and we are going to be grabbing the shade Pink Lily. So it's going to be this one right here. Going over the shade Hiiiii. Like right here, we're just going to be pressing over that same color. Honey, this is stunning. Now we are going to be using a nice fluffy brush like this. Using this fluffy brush, we're just gonna kind of like blend out these colors just to give it like a really soft look. Next, we're just gonna be cutting the crease. So grabbing my Garnier Fructis and a Q-tip. So we're just going to go ahead and start cutting the crease. I'm going to tilt my head back slightly and we're just going to clean it up. Starting like right here. Same thing on the other side. Okay, once we went ahead and cleaned this up, I'm just going to be using my P. Louise and a small detail brush like this. And we're just going to be rebasing the lid to give it like a really nice clean cut. So grabbing a little bit of product on the brush like this. I'm just going to start placing this right here. Okay, same thing on the other side. Okay, so once we have this in place, I am just going to go ahead and grab a small brush like this. And the next color we will be grabbing this shade down here. This is Fruity. Grabbing a little bit of this on the brush. So this is what it's gonna look like. We are gonna start like kind of smudging it out towards the bottom. Just like this. Same thing on the other side. Once we have this going down, I know there's like a lot of fallout. Don't worry about that because we're gonna fix that. Okay, now grabbing a flat eyeshadow brush like this, we are going to be picking up next. Oh, please don't tell me. Okay. I thought I scratched the palette. Okay, so next we're gonna be grabbing rose pink. It's gonna be this shade right here. We're just gonna be placing it like towards the beginning, like the middle of the eye. Okay, once we have this color in place, I'm just going to be grabbing the shade Pearl. We're going to be placing it right in the inner corner of the eye. It has like blue sparkles in there in a way. It is so cute. And then it just kind of collides with like the purpley pinky sparkle like in the middle of the eye. Oh my gosh, honey. This is giving. This is so freaking pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, up next, the next shade we will be grabbing is the shade, let's do Hibiscus. Gonna be this one right here, and we're just gonna be popping it like at the end of the shadow right here, so like right above this purple, and kind of just filling that in right there. Same thing on the other side. She came here to give, and boy, she is giving. Once we have Hibiscus in place, I am just going to be grabbing, let's do a little bit of Fruity. It's going to be this color right here again, and just placing it over. Super pretty. Okay, once we have all these colors in place, I'm just going to be using a fluffy brush again and then just blending it all together. So mainly diffusing like the end parts and creating like that super soft effect. All right, once we have this in place, I'm just going to go ahead and clean up all this fallout from my eyes, so we will be back in just a second. Okay, so up next, I'm just going to be lining a little bit of like purple on the eyes really quick. So the shade I will be using is the shade Gelato. This is what it looks like. And this is a Gavissi Beauty Retro Liner. This is UV Cake Liner. So I just have like a cup of water right in front of me, and then I'm going to be grabbing a small detail brush like this. Not sure if you guys can see. I'm just going to be wetting the brush a little bit, and then with the wet brush I'm just going to be going in here and activating it. Now I'm sure, as I've told you all before, we want like a specific consistency whenever we use these type of liners. And once we have that in place, I'm just going to go ahead and start lining. I'm just letting you guys know you don't have to do this if you don't want to. I just want to be like a little bit extra, just to give it like that pop, you know? Okay, once we have that a little bit more dried down, I'm just gonna grab my mascara and I'm just gonna be coating my lashes really quick. Okay, so as you guys can see, I just went ahead and finished my face off camera, and the only thing that I did add off camera was the shade Tahiti, and it was right below my lower lash line just to really blend everything together. But this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and hopefully you guys subscribe, like, share, comment, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!